Hey guys, so a lot of you people have been asking me to do another review on the Leap Motion. Now, I made a video before where I explained how the Leap Motion works, whether you should get it and what it's good for. So many of you guys asked me if I could give another review, more like an in-depth view about the Leap Motion, whether you should get it or not. Now, I'll be doing a review, aka an unboxing of the device itself, and I will show you guys what it's good for so you guys get a better understanding about the Leap Motion. So on the box itself, it says Leap Motion and the Leap Motion right there. There isn't really too much craziness going on with the box. It says Leap Motion left and right. And on the back, you get a barcode and you get some codes right there. Nothing too crazy. It says leapmotion.inc. So once you open the box, and I already opened it before, so it's not as pretty as it used to be, we get a little setup card. And the card itself explains what you do. So once you get the Leap Motion, you get the card out and it says go to leapmotion.com/setup. That's step 1. Then after step 2, you connect the Leap Motion, the cable to the Leap Motion device itself. And then you connect the cable to your computer. So once you connect it to your computer, as you can see here, we have a little monitor, a keyboard, and a Leap Motion. We will be explaining this card very soon so that you guys know. So looking in the packaging itself, right? We get a little plastic box, nothing too crazy. And we get the Leap Motion. So once I get the Leap Motion out, you can already tell it's a pretty small device. Now, regarding it being small, there's nothing bad about that. I'll explain that very soon. So, funny enough, the whole casing is made of some shiny, thick metal. Then on top, we got a glass pane, which has red sensors inside to cover your fingers and also track your fingers. And on the back, we got some kind of rubber-ish, I think it's kind of like a rubber-ish material, and it says Leap Motion and some text in the left bottom corner. So I did a comparison in the video where I showed a USB. Now this is a USB, as you can see, and this is the Leap Motion controller. So when I put these together, you can already tell that these are almost a similar size. Now we know that the Leap Motion is a bit bigger, but only a dime size, so it's pretty small when we think of it actually having and being able to track our fingers. So the Leap Motion itself is very small, but you gotta see it in a way. The Leap Motion inside has 1, 2, and 3 red sensors. These are the red sensors, they don't go in a straight line. You gotta see it as the middle one goes in a straight line up. The left and the right go in a cone. So the environment that it picks up is quite wide. So you don't have to worry about such a small device not being able to track your fingers and the whole environment being too small. No, I can definitely assure you guys that the Leap Motion covers most of the area, so don't worry about that. What sells inside the box is a warranty manual. You get a Leap Motion controller import information guide. Nothing too crazy. I'm not going to go into the manual and stuff like that. I think that's not really something people are interested in there. Apart from that, you get 2 sets of cables. So this is the original cable, and it's pretty small, as you can see. I would only suggest using this if you're literally having your monitor in front of you and then having the Leap Motion right near it. For me, in this case, I went for the extension cord, which is inside. You can definitely tell I already used it, but it's a lot longer. My monitor is pretty far away from me regarding my new desk. I'm using a standing desk as of right now, so the extension cord is definitely something I'm happy with that they delivered as well. And further inside the box, there's nothing too special. There's nothing in the side corners. It's really white and green. That's literally the colors that they're using. So to cover what was inside the box, you can see you get an important information guide. That's number 1. You get the Leap Motion itself. You get 2 sets of cables, the original cable and the extension cord. you get a little information panel that shows how to set the leap motion up, which we're getting into now. So once you get the leap motion, what you want to do is connect it to the cable. Once you connect it to the cable, you put the USB 3.0 in your computer. Now it will pick up the sign or the signal that it's being directed to your Windows computer or your Mac computer, depending which one you're using. The thing you gotta do is you gotta set up the leap motion. You download the drivers from leapmotion.com/setup. Then they will tell you to put in the cable into the leap motion itself, as you can see. Once you've done that, is you go to the website, you download the drivers, you let it run. Once it finishes, you will probably notice 3 red sensors appear on the leap motion. Now, these 3 sensors, they will track and sign your hands. So if this was a computer in front of me, and this was my leap motion device, you would not be having to use your mouse again, or anymore in this case. This will track your fingers. You can move around applications. You can use this in AutoCAD. You can use it in Blender, in Unity. There's a whole requirements panel on leapmotion.com. They will also explain what you can use it for. I remember a lot of you guys asked me in the comments, like, what can I use it for? Can you go over the drivers for all of that? So to actually answer these questions, 99% of the applications and games you are using in VR in this case, you will be able to do that with the leap motion. Now, regarding software, thinking about AutoCAD, Blender, Unity, there is a multiple requirement ways to use the leap motion, but that is something you have to dig in information yourself. All I know is that it's usable. I tried Unity, Blender, and AutoCAD before. It works completely fine, but to set it up is something you have to figure out yourself. It's not easy, I can explain you that, but it is workable. Regarding the Oculus Rift S that I have as a VR device, and whether you're using the Oculus Rift S, the Oculus Quest, the Evolve Index, or any VR system really, what you gotta do is you have to put this device on your VR. Now we can tell that the device doesn't stick, meaning that if we were to put this on your VR system, so if this was your VR system, you would have to plug it on the front like that, but we know that it doesn't stick. So there are multiple ways how you can use this. Now, people are saying you can glue this to your VR. So let's say we put glue on here on the rubber side. Note, by the way, glue on rubber never sticks well, so be careful. If we would be able to put that on our VR, I would say use like a double measure and tape. That would probably be better. Put this on your VR and you're all set to go. Now, there was a person, and I don't slightly remember the name, but they said that they made a clip that they 3D printed that you can actually clip onto your shirt. So let's say this is the clip, you clip that on your shirt, you clip the leap motion onto it, and then it will track everything that's going on in front of you regarding your hands and fingers. Now, this is all stuff we can definitely dig into, and that's something we can do for another video if you guys are interested. I do find it funny that so many of you guys were interested in the leap motion and how to set things up. You had so many questions, and it was actually one of my most popular videos. So if you guys are interested in more about the leap motion or VR or anything in particular, please do let me know. I'm highly interested to help you guys and be more of a kind of information point or person to explain what my honest opinion about some things are. If you like this video, it's a hashtag short on YouTube, which is kind of a new thing, but it's definitely something I'm looking more into. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the leap motion. Please subscribe to the channel if you respect and appreciate my content, and like the video as well if you can. I hope you guys like this video. I hope it was informative. I hope I didn't miss out on any one of you guys. And if you guys have any questions, make sure to check me live on Twitch. So once again, thank you for watching this video, and Krale signing.